Come off. To be separated from something. When I tried to lift the jug, the handle came off in my hand. A button had come off my shirt. Chop up. To cut into small pieces. Chop up the onion into small pieces. Can you chop up some carrots for me? Call off. To cancel something. They decided to call off the meeting. We need to call off the picnic because it's raining. Laugh at. To laugh at someone or something. Don't laugh at him, he's very sensitive. My mom and dad always laugh at my jokes. Hand in. To give something to someone in authority. I need to hand in my homework tomorrow. The students handed in their homework. Break into. To enter a building by force. The thief tried to break into the house. I think someone is trying to break into my car. Look like. To be similar in appearance to someone or something. What does he look like? He looks like his grandfather. The cake was decorated to look like a car. Look like. To appear likely to happen. It looks like it's going to rain today. It looks like it's going to be a long day. Count on. To depend on someone for help or support. I am counting on you to help me. You can always count on me in a crisis. Ask for. To request something. I asked for a special wine. I always ask for extra tomato sauce on my pizza.